and welcome to another video on Vanity Visions. I'm excited to share with you another STEM learning video on this channel. Today, my friend Rayhan will be showing the microbit and its functions.
Thanks, Famsi. Hello everybody, I'm Rayhan. I'm going to show you how to use the microbit and all its functions.
Rayhan, what is the microbit and how is it used?
Well, the BBC Microbit helps young children start coding and programming.
I'm looking forward to learn more from Rayhan. Now Rayhan will explain the different parts of the microbit and details about the app that goes with it.
This is the microbit. It acts as a springboard for more advanced products like Raspberry Pi. It has an LED display. As you can see, it's basically a pocket-sized computer. It has Bluetooth and has light and heat sensors on the back. It has a built-in compass that can detect movement or speed. It has input, output and central processing units. To get the Microbit app, you go onto the Microsoft Store and then you open it. Then on the search bar, you search Microbit. Then it comes up with the app. Then you go onto it and press install. I've already installed it, so I'll just press launch. Then you press new project and give it a name. Ray. Then create it. Then this is your opening screen that'll come up.
This is really fascinating, Rayhan. I can now visualize what roles each part of the microbit plays in making it work. Now Rayhan will talk about how to program the microbit.
I'm going to show you some fun activities that you can do on the microbit via the app. It is advised that children of 8 years or younger should be supervised by an adult at all times. After opening the Microbit app, I would like to show you how to make a flashing heart. Later, when you have more experience, you can use Python to code the Microbit and do the flashing hearts.
I know a little bit of coding. Getting to know more about this has inspired me to try out something related to this in the future. Now Rayhan will show the flashing heart demo.
So, here we are making a flashing heart. So place the show LEDs blocks in the forever block and draw a heart. So in theory it should look a bit like this. So you take show LEDs out, put it in the forever block and draw a heart. So now it's our turn. So you press basic, take show LEDs out, put it in the forever block and make a sign of a heart. Then now we go on to the next step. Place another show LEDs block. You can leave it blank and draw what you want. So it should be blank like this. So we take one out of basics and put it under and leave it blank. Then we press next step. Look at the virtual microbit. You should see the heart in your drawing blink on the screen. As you can see in the virtual microbit, it's just blinking on the screen. Now we go on to the next step. And now we have to connect it to the microbit. So now you press download. If it's a bad response, that doesn't mean anything. Now we have to save it and file save. So now we go into the microbit and if you can see, it is now flashing. So it's like a beating heart.
I've never seen anything like this before. This is really cool, Rayhan. Now Rayhan will show us the step counter demo.
So now I'm going to show you how to make a step counter with blocks. So we start the tutorial, then we read this, then we press OK. So to build a counter we'll need a variable step to store the number of steps. So we go into variables, we make a new variable and name it step. And press OK. So here we go, here's our new variable. So now we need to get set step on the on start. And it should look like this, and it does. So now we press next step. Assuming you attach the microbit to your foot angle, it will get shaken to take a step. You can use on shake. Let's add the code to increment step by 1 when the microbit is shaken. So we use on shake and to change steps by 1. So we go into input, take out the on shake, we go to variables, and we take change step by 1. And now we go into the next step where we want to see always how many steps were counted in a forever loop. We add a show number block to display the value of a step. So we go to basic, show number. Then to replace the 0, we go onto variables and we replace the 0 with step. Now we go on to the next slide. So now we'll test it by shaking it. There's a bit of a lag, as you can see. So to stop that lag, we go to LED and more. Then we go to stop animation and put it under change step by 1. Now I'll show you on the virtual microbit. There's no lag anymore. So now we go to next and finish. So now I'll download it and save. And if it says this, just press yes. And now I'm going to show you how it works. So this is 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step, 7 steps, 8, then 10.
Fantastic, Rayon. I was impressed by the demonstrations. Seeing this work was a valuable experience, and I can definitely take lots of useful pieces of information from this.
Thank you, Vamsi, for having me on your channel again. I really enjoyed my time here.
Like Rayhan, you can participate in the STEM challenge by commenting ideas in the comment section down below, or if you're interested, you could share a video for me to post on this channel. I'll see you on another STEM video, and until then, bye!